Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. As you can see, I'm already set up fingerprint. Simply open your settings, lock skin and AOD. Press on the first option. As you can see, I'm already set up to fingerprint. Okay, alright, I'm remove all data. Okay. Go to this section, lock skin and AOD, skin lock and biometric, showing it to fingerprint. Select, showing it to three different pin and fingerprint, password and fingerprint, or pattern or fingerprint. Like I'm select pattern or fingerprint. You just select any one. Continue and confirm. Okay, press on done. And the second step, you get fingerprint option. Press on to register and follow the all direction, moving your finger once complete to 100%. Okay, alright, press on done. Now successfully set up fingerprint.